It's your no salad chicks.
I'm Sin.
And I'm Flo.
And guess what we're making today?
My favorite.
No salad chick lemon pound cake. Stay tuned. Here we go.
Alright, so we're gonna do a package of cream cheese and 3 room temperature unsalted butter.
And make sure it's room temperature, both the cream cheese and unsalted butter. It's very, very, very important because if it's cold, it won't be as moist. All right, then we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt. Mix that up. Now we're gonna add in the secret ingredient, instant lemon pudding. Yes, just a package of this in there makes it extra lemony and extra flavorful.
Lemon fresh.
So, and then we're gonna do 2.5 cups of sugar. Now we're gonna add in 6 eggs, room temperature, also 1 at a time.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna add our favorite cake flour. Swan down, the best. We're gonna sift it, and that's very important because that's what makes the cooking and baking even.
Sifter, sifter, sifter.
All right, and we're gonna slowly add the flour in because it's pretty messy. And you want it at like the lowest speed. Slowly add 3 cups of flour. And now we're gonna zest a whole lemon and add it in there. Shouts to Tasty.
Ooh. Hey.
And make sure you only get the yellow part, not the white part, because that's the bitter part of the lemon. And now we're gonna add it in there. Last thing.
Oh. Here we go. All that good lemon zestiness.
Whoa! Smells so good.
Yeah.
Then we're just gonna do a quick mix, and then we're gonna throw it in the oven. All right, we're gonna spray our pound cake pan.
It's like heaven.
Heaven.
Yes, we are going to bake it for 70 minutes at 325.
Smoke flame.
And don't forget to set it and forget it. Alright, so got this out the oven. Flipped it over. Ready? Yes.
Wow. Perfect. Look at that.
Made a nice little glaze, or icing. What do you want to call it?
Syrup glaze. Yeah.
Syrup glaze.
Like a syrup / glaze.
And what's in it?
So we got a 1/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And this just adds extra lemon and moistness to the cake. So just brush that all around it. Okay, the icing was 5 tablespoons unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, and a cup of powdered sugar. And then we drizzled a little yellow food coloring in there just to make it a little yellow, you know?
Yellow.
Someone gave us lemon,
So we made a lemon pound cake.
Yeah.
Here we go. We're going to cut it to this nice gooey goodness.
Right? What is it, Una?
It's a gooey goodness.
What's that? Ooh.
Cheers.
It ain't your grandma's pound cake, but it is the no salad chick pound cake.
She loves that shit like that.
It's better than your grandma's pound cake.
I don't know. I ain't gonna go get my grandma, but it's pretty good.
Yeah, you know. I got some of these recipes from some grandmas, so let me sit back.
Right, I don't get to my grandma, but we're gonna keep it real. Well, this is a really good pound cake. You guys have a nice summer party coming this summer. Whip this up, everyone's be like, hey, go make that pound cake. Make sure you subscribe and like to our channel.
Follow us on
One of these, the
all-
buttons are down there. They are down there somewhere. I don't know why you haven't done that yet.
Right. And follow us on all social media for all our updates in our journey.
Yes, and be sure to catch us on the next adventures of the No Salad Chicks.
I might just be here.